we were married at a time, and now I am back on Dwayne's journey, and that chapter is closed. And for me, it's like a in touch with mortality. Like in solitude, I'm aware. I mean, the bigger overarching theme, nobody gives a fuck in the world of masculine. Like, you will go on and continue. I feel like that's honestly I feel like that's the healthiest space to operate from, just as it is the truth to your feelings. You're not owed anything, you're not given anything as a man. And if you are not married, in partnership, whatever, you pass, something happens, as good as you've been, or whoever you've been out in the world, the listening, the integrity out there in the world, your kids, your women, friends, community, like whoever's going to have flowers at your funeral is going to be based on that. Like, not that you had 15 years or were married before, or whatever happened a lifetime ago, a generation ago, or just a year ago. Like, just the present too. I am back on my journey in solitude, and that choice even. But until there's marriage, until I change a last name and take another wife, nobody is family. Nobody is, they may shed a tear, but there's just not that kind of impact, if that makes sense.